Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and bring you the latest insights. Today, we're talking about a very interesting development in the Bitcoin market. The Fear and Greed Index has been making headlines lately, and it's clear that sentiment is shifting rapidly. The Fear and Greed Index is an indicator created by Alternative that measures the average sentiment among investors in the Bitcoin and wider cryptocurrency markets. It takes into account 5 key factors: volatility, trading volume, market cap dominance, social media sentiment, and Google Trends. By using a numeric scale from 0 to 100, it provides a snapshot of the overall mentality among investors. As we can see on our chart, the Fear and Greed Index has been trending downwards in recent weeks, indicating that investor sentiment has shifted towards fear. But what's interesting is that this fear isn't quite as intense as it was just yesterday. In fact, the index is now hovering just 3 units away from the neutral zone. To understand why this might be the case, let's take a look at the metrics behind the Fear and Greed Index. We've got volatility, trading volume, market cap dominance, social media sentiment, and Google Trends all playing a role in shaping this narrative. And while fear does seem to dominate the current sentiment, it's worth noting that investor psychology can be notoriously tricky. Historically, Bitcoin has shown a tendency to move in the opposite direction of what the crowd expects. This phenomenon is often referred to as the contrarian move, and it suggests that extreme fear might actually be where we see bottoms form. That's right, folks. When investors are feeling down and out, that's often when the market starts to bounce back. Now, let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin itself. At its current price of around $85,000, it's trading about 4% lower over the last 7 days. But here's the thing: the Fear and Greed Index is no longer indicating a strong direction for the market. With sentiment sitting just shy of neutral, anything could happen. So what does this mean for Bitcoin and other digital assets? The answer is that it's anyone's game. With investor psychology shifting rapidly, we might see a move in either direction from here. But if there's one thing to take away from this story, it's the importance of staying informed and adapting quickly to changing market conditions. That's all for today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve.